Hello students, welcome to my channel Kirti Sikhyasram. Today we are going to discuss the exercise 9.1 of 10th class. Okay, in the previous video we have already discussed the exercise 9.1 question number 1 to 7. In this video we are going to discuss more 4 questions. So let's start with the question number 7. So here is the first question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and the bottom of the transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay, let's understand this question by a figure. So here it is given that from a point on the ground, here it is a point P. Okay, the angle of elevation, right, this is elevation from a fixed tower in a high building. Okay, here let us consider AB is a building and AC is a tower on it. Okay, and the height of the building is 20 meter high, and the angle of elevation of to the building or from point P to the building is here 45 degree, and the angle of elevation from point P to the top of the tower is your 60 degree. Understand? So this is given here. Okay, so I am writing this as here. Let the building AB and the tower is CA. Building is 20 meter high, so AB is 20 meter. Okay, from a point the angle of elevation is 45 degree. From point P, angle of elevation to C is 60 degree. Here is a C. Okay, so here in triangle APB triangle, tan 45 in triangle APB, here APB, I can write tan 45 is equal to AB by PB. So here tan 45 is equal to AB by PB. Tan 45 is equal to 1, which is equal to 20 by PB. This implies I can write PB is equal to 20. So now this PB is equal to 20, right? Now in triangle CPB, here CPB, tan 60, this angle is 60, tan 60 is equal to BC or CB by PB. So I am writing here like in triangle PBC, tan 60 is equal to BC by PB. This implies tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB. Here BC is equal to AB plus AC. So I am writing here AB plus AC by 20. So from here this 20 will be multiplied with here. So 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus AC, because AB is given 20. So AC is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20, which will be your AC is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. So what is AC? AC is the height of the tower. The question asked us what is the height of the tower. So we have found the height of the tower is 20 root 3 minus 1. Understand up to this? Okay, let's go to the next question, question number 8. So here is the question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Okay, let us consider a statue AC. Okay, stands on a pedestal. Now it is a pendle-like structure whose height is AB. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal to the point is 45 degree. Let us consider a point P from which the top of the pedestal, what A, the angle of elevation from point P to the top of the pedestal is 45 degree, and the angle of elevation from point P to the top of the statue is how much? 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree and this angle is your 45 degree. Understand up to this? Okay, I have written here what is given. Let us consider a statue AC which is situated on a pedestal AB, whose and the height of statue is given AC. I have written here. So angle of elevation from point P on the ground to the top of the statue is 60 degree, which is this angle, and angle of elevation from to the top of the pedestal is 45 degree here, from P to the top of the pedestal. So in triangle APB here, I can write tan 45 is equal to AB by PB. Tan 45 is equal to AB by PB. So tan 45 we know 1. So 1 is equal to AB by PB. This implies AB is equal to PB. Okay. Now in triangle PBC here, PBC, tan 60 is equal to BC by PB. So I am writing here tan 60 is equal to BC by PB. This implies root 3 is equal to, because tan 60 is equal to root 3 is equal to AB plus AC, because BC is equal to AB plus AC here. BC is equal to AB plus AC. So I am writing here in place of BC, AB plus AC divided by BC. This implies root 3 into BC is equal to root 3 into PB is equal to AB plus AC, right? So AC is equal to root 3 into PB minus PB, because here we have know that what is AB is equal to PB here. So I am putting PB here instead of AB. So this will be AC will be root 3 PB minus PB. So taking PB as common, this will be root 3 minus 1, right? And given AC is given 1.6, so I can write PB is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Okay, so rationalizing the denominator, we'll get PB as, I'm rationalizing this here, we will get 0.8 into root 3 plus 1, because this will cancel and 0.8. Hence the height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. I hope you understand this. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is your question number 9. So here is the question: the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30. Okay, let us consider a building is AB, and let us consider a tower is CD. Okay, and it is given that the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Foot of the tower, height of the building is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building AB is 60 degree. Understand? If the tower is for 50 meter and CD is given 50 meter, because this is the tower and the tower length is 50 meter, find the height of the building. We have to calculate AB. Okay, it's a very easy question. So I have written here what is given. Let us consider AB is a building, CD is a tower, and CD is equal to 50 meter. Angle of elevation from the top of the tower to foot of the building is equal to 60 degree. That means DBC angle is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, the angle of elevation from the top of the building to the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. That means ACB is equal to 30 degree. Now I can write in triangle BCD here, in triangle BCD, tan 60 is equal to CD by BC. This implies root 3 is equal to CD is given, that is a 50 by BC. This implies BC is equal to 50 root 3. Now again in triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to AB by BC, right? So here I can write tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB by BC we have already found, that is 50 by root 3. This implies I can write AB is equal to 1 by root 3 into 50 by root 3. This implies AB is equal to 50 by root 3 meter. Hence the height of the building is 50 by root 3 meter, because AB is the height of the building. Understand? Okay, let's go to the next question, question number 10. It is given that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. Let us consider here CD and AB are two poles. Okay, so these two poles are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. Let this is a road, that is your CBC is a road, and these two poles are standing opposite to each other. Okay, so which is 50 meter wide and this road CB is given as 50 meter, or BC is given as 50 meter. From a point between them, let's consider this point. From a point between them, that is P, the angle of elevation of the top of poles are 60 degree. Let one top is at 30 degree, okay, and another is 60 degree of elevation, angle of elevation, okay. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, so we have to find out that these distances, okay, that is your PC and PB. We have to calculate PC and PB, as well as we have to calculate AB as well as CD. Okay, understand this question? Okay, let's solve. So I have written here what is given. So let us consider two poles AB and CD. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to your, that is given 50 meter. Okay, so let us consider a point P between these two, that is your B and C. So and given it APB angle is 60 degree and CPD angle is 30 degree. It is CPD angle. Okay, so in CPD triangle, here in CPD triangle, tan 30 is equal to, I can write it CD by PC. So I am written here CD by PC. This implies tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to CD by PC. This implies CD is equal to, I can write it CP by root 3. This is equation 1. Now in triangle APB, similarly tan 30 is equal to AB by PB. So here tan 60 is equal to AP by PB. This implies this is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB by PB. This implies AB is equal to root 3 into PB. Given that AB is equal to CD, because these two poles are equal height, this from equation 1 and 2 I can write what CP by root 3 is equal to root 3 PB. CP by root 3 is equal to root 3 PB. This implies root 3 will be multiplied. CP is equal to 3 PB, right? Understand up to this? Okay. Now, what is given here? We know that BC is equal to 8. It is given that BC is equal to 8. Width of the road, it is given 80. CP plus PB is equal to 80. This implies CP, we have found here 3 PB. So I am putting here 3 PB plus PB is equal to 80. This implies PB is equal to 80 by 4, that is your 20 meter. So I can calculate PC is equal to 60. Okay, understand? Okay, so here it is given, it is asked how far distance. So I can write P is how much? 20 meter away. Here P is 20 meter away from P because it is 20 and this is 60. P is 20 meter away from B and P is 60 meter away from P. This is all about your question number 10. Okay, let's go to the next question. In the next video we will discuss the rest of the question of this exercise. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and please, if you like the video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get updates whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.